Hi there, this is Xian from Clear Mind Master. I wanted to give you 4 tips today on how I keep emotional outbursts at bay, to keep a clear and focused mind, to stay peaceful, calm, and more productive in my life, for my family, and for my business. This is something super important for any executive or high achiever to manifest in their lives, because if they do not, if they're distracted, they simply are not as effective or productive as they can be. So number 1, decide that it is not normal to feel mediocre or to feel emotional or distracted or stressed. You do not have to let your thoughts and emotions run wild, no matter what happens around you. Okay, so decide that it is not normal and that it doesn't have to be like that. So instead, dream how you would like to be. This for a start will help you to find to be motivated to find solutions. Okay. Step number 2, decide to step out of your comfort zone to become this freer, more joyful, peaceful, and confident version of you. We allow ourselves to stay stuck in our comfort zone. The comfort zone is safe and comfortable, but it's also very lazy. It's a super lazy place to be, and no magic or change happen there. Okay, so just for a few minutes a day, just a few minutes a day really buy you increased comfort for the rest of your life. Actively search and experiment new ways of dealing with your internal world, and it'll make a vast amount of difference. 3, decide that now's the time. Don't be a 70-year-old who still can't gracefully deal with the mind and emotions. Trust me, this kind of wisdom does not magically appear with age. It's something you need to actively create. So I recommend, do not wait until you don't have a choice anymore, or until the lives around you falls apart. Number 4, make yourself into a project with equal effort than a work project. Decide that you are as important, if not more important, than a work project, so that you allow your internal work the time it deserves, that you deserve. So 100% commit to yourself as a project, and give yourself a minimum of 20 minutes a day to actively figure out better ways how to deal with things internally. If you'd like help, come and look at my Facebook group, Clear Mind Master. I'd love to see you there. My website is clearmindmaster.com. See you soon. Bye.